Meaning of fatigued.
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 Fatigued. Fatigued means feeling extremely tired or exhausted, typically as a result of mental or physical exertion or illness. The condition can manifest in many ways, including decreased energy levels, difficulty concentrating, irritability, and overall weakness. People with chronic fatigue may experience ongoing symptoms that interfere with their ability to perform daily tasks. They may also have trouble sleeping, experience muscle pain or headaches, and feel anxious or depressed. Fatigue is a common symptom of many medical conditions, including anemia, thyroid disorders, and chronic pain syndromes, and can also be a side effect of certain medications.